I'd like to introduce you to our newest product, the Scorpion. The Scorpion is like nothing you've ever seen before on the e-bike market.
There is a better way, a compromise-free way, one that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is CARBO. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's CARBO.
Decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing,
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution that compromises your riding experience.
and it's also hard to find after-sale service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about right home? The smart screen can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. CARBO is the perfect urban companion.
We joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make CARBO come to life.
In the CARBO, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
Do you remember when products were designed and built to last? Nowadays, it seems like every electric bike out there is a cookie-cutter factory product, bought at the same low-quality components, noisy, inefficient motors, and outdated technology. And all these problems add up, depriving you of valuable range, responsive power, and most importantly, an exciting ride. That's why we spent the last 4 years developing our prototype for the next generation of electric bikes, the REVA Rocket. Trail mode bumps us up to 3.5 kilowatts, but on competition mode, the Rocket pays homage to its name, pumping out 6,500 watts of instantaneous power with a top speed upwards of 45 miles per hour. Street mode keeps it simple, delivering 750 watts of assistance to the rear wheel with a top speed of 28 miles per hour. The Rocket adapts to your terrain. Use a 3.5-inch LCD display to select between Eco, Street, and Competition mode. depending on your current ride.
Enjoy an equally cushy ride through city streets or through rugged mountain trails, thanks to the Rocket's 200 millimeters of adjustable air suspension in both front and rear. REVA's powerful hydraulic brakes, coupled with our variable electronic regen, recharges your battery every time you use your brakes, extending your potential range 20% or more.
Whether you're zipping through traffic, exploring new trails, or hitting the track, REVA's got you covered.
We designed the bike to be nearly indestructible. Our hardened aluminum frames house the REVA e-box, where all the tight sensitive components sit inside a watertight aluminum shell.
Simple drivetrain is strong and helps keep REVA lightweight and virtually maintenance-free. Our electronic system is a key factor in making this bike so special. Together with our efficient drivetrain and an industry-crushing 1.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack, you can ride for up to 100 miles on a single charge.